My name is Shanna, and I am a Program Coordinator of Nutrition at the Crim Fitness Foundation. Today's Food Navigator video is a healthy recipe for Michigan Harvest of the Month called sweet potato hash. A half cup of sweet potatoes is an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber. Vitamin A is an antioxidant. It is important for the immune system and vision health. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin necessary for growth and development. The body does not store or make vitamin C, so it is important to eat foods with vitamin C in it every day. Fiber helps keep your blood sugar level normal and can help lower your cholesterol. Do you know the difference between a sweet potato and a yam? Sweet potatoes are a root with smooth skin, a moist consistency, and a sweet flavor. Yams are tubers with scaly skin and a dry, starchy texture. Let's see how we make sweet potato hash. To make sweet potato hash, you will need 1/4 cup of oil, 2 cups of bell peppers and onions chopped, 2 pounds or about 2 medium sweet potatoes peeled and cut into small cubes, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Begin by taking your washed sweet potatoes and removing the skins with a peeler. After you finish peeling the potatoes, take a large knife and cut the potatoes into small cubes. Take a knife and cut your onion in half, then cut off the ends of the onion to remove the skin and chop 1 cup of onion. Take a knife and cut your bell pepper in half, remove the seeds, and chop 1 cup of bell pepper. When you are finished chopping the vegetables, turn your stove on medium to high heat and pour in 1/4 cup of oil into your pan. Once the oil is hot, saute the onions for about 5 minutes, then add the peppers and saute for another 5 minutes. After sauteing the onions and peppers, add in the sweet potatoes and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, add seasoning and finish cooking for another 10 to 15 minutes or until potatoes are tender. When you are finished cooking your sweet potato hash, serve up and enjoy. Be sure to check out the Flint Farmers Market to find fresh and locally sourced ingredients for this recipe and more.